Hello students, so today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 4. So let us have a look at the question. The question says Rehana and Shayon both appeared for an examination and each of them will have to answer 12 questions. So in total they will have to answer 12 questions each. Now question number 1 says Rehana got 36 marks in total by answering 8 questions correctly and remaining 4 questions incorrectly. So you can see that Rihanna answered 8 questions correctly. So for correct answers, she got. You can see that for each correct answer she gets 6 marks. So therefore for 8 correct answers she gets 8 times 6, that is 48 marks. Okay. But in the question you can see that she did not get that 48 marks in total. She actually got 36 marks. So her number got reduced. Let us have a look at this picture. Suppose this is the 48 marks that she has obtained. Okay. Now this is the marks she has obtained for the right answers. But for some wrong answers, she lost some marks and her marks ultimately become 36. Right. So how many questions did she answer right? She got 8 questions right. And 4 answers to the questions were wrong. Okay. So out of from these 48 marks, some marks were deducted and she got 36 marks. So what is the number that she lost for the wrong answer type questions? This is the portion of marks that I've indicated over here, which corresponds to the wrong answer types for the wrong answer questions. Okay, so how much marks did she lose for wrong answers? 48 minus 36. To find out this portion, you have to subtract this number, that is 36, from this entire number, that is 48. So 48 minus 36. So we can write for incorrect answers, she lost 48 minus 36, that is 12 marks. Now this is the total number she has lost for the incorrect answers, and she has answered 4 questions incorrectly. So therefore for each incorrect answer she lost 12 divided by 4, that is 3 marks. So therefore for the first part, the question was asked you, you have been asked to find out that how much marks she will lose for each incorrect answer, each wrong answer. So therefore she lost rather 3 marks for each incorrect answer. Now let us have a look at the second part. The second part is easy. It says find total marks obtained by Shayon if he answered 6 questions correctly and 6 questions incorrectly. So for 6 right answers, Shayon gets 6 into 6, that is 36 marks. You all know that for each right answer he got 6 marks, and he has got total 6 questions answered correctly. That's why he is getting 36 marks in total for the 6 right answers. And for 6 wrong answers, he lost 6 times 3, because for each wrong answer he loses 3 marks, and in total he has answered 6 questions wrong. That's why he is losing 18 marks. So therefore he gets 36 minus 18. Why am I subtracting this number? Because for answering these questions wrong, he is losing these marks. So that's why he is getting 18 marks. So therefore, Shayan got 18 marks in total. I hope the sum is clear. Thank you. Take care.